Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: regular expressions with character classes. So first of all, we'll understand what are regular expressions. So regular expressions, we simply call it as regex. So regex is used to search or find our given string or text or pattern in any other original string. So basically, regex is a sequence of single character or more characters, and technically it is known as search pattern string. It is used to search for data in a text or string, and that is done with the help of search pattern string. So we use this for text search or text replacement also. For example, searching for mobile numbers, PIN codes, email IDs, checking for proper usernames and passwords, etc. So to work with regular expressions, we have java.util.regex package. So in this package, we have two main classes: pattern class. So under pattern class, we are going to use compile method to take the input for regular expression pattern, and we are going to use matcher method, so where we have to match the regular expression pattern. Okay, so both of them accepts string and another one accepts sequence of characters. And coming to the matcher class, so matcher class, it will be available when we apply matcher method. And then in this class we have find method, start, and group method, which is used to find for our regular expression pattern in other string, and then we can get the starting index, ending index, and group sequence of matching characters. So now coming to what are the different character classes using which we can make a regular expressions. Okay, so basically we use character classes with square brackets. So they goes like this here. For example, square brackets A, B, C. It means either A or B or C will be matching in the other string. So this is a simple class. So inside the square brackets, if you use exclusive or symbol or not symbol or cap symbol, so cap ABC, it means all characters except ABC. All characters except ABC. So this is called as a negation class. Next, inside the square brackets, small a to small z, capital A to capital Z without any space. Okay, it means lowercase characters, uppercase characters. So this is called as range class, which is done with hyphen. Okay, so here we have to use hyphen to represent the range class. So next, inside the square brackets, you can take A to D, okay, and then followed by M to P. Okay, so this becomes either of them, so A to D or M to P. So we can directly write it as A to D, M to P. Okay, so here we are using character class within character class, so this is called as union class. Either A to D or M to P characters will be matched in the given string. Next, A to Z and D, E, F. So this is called as intersection class. So intersection class means it will be taking characters from A to Z which are matching with D, E, F. Intersection of A to Z and D, E, F. So which means either D, E, or F. Similarly, A to Z and not of B, C. So not of B and C means except B and C, it will take A to Z. Okay, so this is also called as subtraction class. So we can also write it like this: A except BC. So remove BC and take D. So D to Z. And next A to Z, and inside that we are taking one more character class, not of M to P. Okay, so A to Z, small a to small z, all the characters except M to P. So it is like this: A to L, M, N, O, P. Don't take it. Q to Z. So this also comes under subtraction class. Okay, so these are the different classes using which we can work with regular expressions patterns, and technically these classes are called as character classes. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Java regular expressions example 3. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program, and then import java.util.regex package, and then take main class with main method and save this program in your working directory. Okay, right. So first I'm going to discuss without character classes. Okay, so first pattern.compile hello, and we are passing a literal there, case insensitive. So this is my regular expression pattern. It will return a pattern object reference. So next we will get the pattern dot matcher. So we have to find hello in hello welcome to Java and welcome to Java. So it will return a matcher object empty, and this is common code for all the cases. So while empty dot find, so find method, it will be finding hello from first to last linearly, one after the other. So whenever it finds hello, it will return true, and then it will go for the next match till the end of the string. So find hello in hello and welcome to Java without case sensitivity. So it is available in the first position. So print empty dot group. So empty dot group means it will print the matched sequence of characters, which is hello, tab space, and then empty dot start, starting index is 0, tab space, empty dot end, ending index is +1. So 4 + 1 5. So save this program and then come to the command prompt. Right, so compile the program, Java regular expressions 3, and run it. So hello available at 0 index, ending index is +1, 4 + 1 5. Right, so next let us change the pattern. So the second pattern goes like this: E. I want to find E in hello and welcome to Java. Okay, so it will find for multiple instances because we are using while loop with find method. So E is available at first index, 9th index, and 14th index, and its ending index is +1. So 2, 10, and 15. Next. So next comes E or A. E, so it is or A, right? So either E or A in hello and welcome to Java. So recompile it and run. So E or A, it is available at first index, 9th index, 14th index, A 20th index, and 22nd index, and its corresponding ending characters. Okay, right. So next one, you can also take E or A as a group. Group means circle brackets. Okay, right. So save this. So here our pattern string is changing, and then our original string is same. So you get the same answer as the previous one. E, 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 A, A. Starting index, ending index. Right, so next case, dot E. So dot indicates any character followed by E. So two characters. Dot E, any character followed by E. So recompile, run. So H, E. WEME, welcome. 0th index, 8th index, 13th index, ending index is +1. So 0, 1 plus 1, 2, 8, 9 plus 1, 10, 13, 14 plus 1, 15. Right. So next case, without character class, dot. So dot indicates any character. Any character means uppercase, lowercase, digit, special character. So save this, recompile, and run. So we got all the characters here. Okay. So hello, HELLO, starting and ending index, space and space, welcome, starting index, ending index, space, to, space, Java. So it will give all the characters. So dot indicates all the characters matching. So now let us do it with character classes. Okay, so character classes are represented in square brackets. Okay, inside the square brackets only. Right, so the first pattern goes like this. Compile A or B or C. So either A or B or C. So find it in hello and welcome to Java. Recompile and run. So A or B or C. So we got CAA, starting index, corresponding ending index. Right. So if you want, you can check it out. CAA. So CAA 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so 11th index, 28th index, 22nd index, +1 is the ending index for that corresponding character. Right, so next, let us go for not of. So here we have to use this not operator inside. So this is a negation class inside the square bracket, but not outside. If you use it outside, it will become a normal character, and that character will also be searched in the given original string. So not of ABC in the character class. So except ABC will get all the remaining characters, starting index and ending index. Compile and run. So except ABC, we got all the characters. Okay. Right. So next one, compile A to C, ABC, H to J, capital H to capital J. So A, B, C, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, H, I, J. Okay, so recompile and run. So A and C, capital H, capital J. So starting index is +1, ending index. Right, so next one, the pattern goes like this: A to C or H to J. Okay, right? So A to C, H to J. So you'll get the same answer here, right? A to C, H to J, right? So or we'll take it as, yeah, this is the same one. No need to take it once again. No. So second one goes like this: A to C. So character class inside character class. So it will become a union class. So A to C, capital H to capital W. Okay. So recompile and then run. So A, B, C, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. So capital H, capital W, capital J. So A, C, small. H, W, J, upper. Okay. Next. A to Z. Small a to small z and A to C. Okay. So here it is intersection. So it will take intersection means common, A, B, C. So it will represent only ABC characters. Okay. So recompile and run. So either A or B or C. So CAA. Okay. So we can also take it like this. In the same way, it goes A or B or C, directly A, B, C. Right, so save this A, B, C. Yeah, that's it. You should get the same output. Recompile and then run it. So either A or B or C. Right. So next we'll take it with and A to Z and character class inside character class A to C. So you should get the same output, either A or B or C. So it's an intersection of two classes. Recompile and run. So same output, A or B, C. So common from A to Z, A to C. Okay, next A to Z and means intersection and not of ABC. So not of ABC means A to Z. Except ABC, it will take the remaining characters including, okay, yeah, not including spaces. So recompile and then run. So except ABC, we got all the remaining characters. Now we should not take this like here. So this is not going to work for us. Okay. So for example, if I take directly not of ABC, what it will become is, it becomes, okay, intersection only, means either not, either A, B, C. So here not will not work. It works only at the beginning of a character class. So beginning of a character class is here. So we have to take compulsory another character class bracket. So if you take here, it will give ABC only. So recompile and run. Okay, either A or B or C. Okay, right. So now we'll take A to Z. Okay, and intersection, you have to take not of A to C. So not of ABC. So except ABC, it will be searching for all the remaining characters. So recompile and run. Okay, so except ABC, all the characters. So similarly, we can also take, okay, right. So it goes like this. You can also use OR operator, bitwise OR operator, right. A to Z or not of ABC, either of them. Okay, so either of them means it will take all the characters A to Z. So recompile and run. So you'll get all of them because it is taking either of them, HELLO and welcome to Java. So this one, last one, it is same as that of directly taking the previous one. Okay, you can take it directly like without using OR operator. Okay, A to Z or it is union only or not of A to C. So recompile and run. So we should get all the characters hello and welcome to Java, starting index and ending index. So here we can also use, okay, we can also use logical OR, next logical and not, we use cap. So OR indicates union, which is mainly used in mathematical sets, and indicates intersection, and not indicates not. It's like complement, not exactly complement. Right, so this is how we are supposed to work with regular expression with character class in Java programming. So for this we have to use square brackets. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.